Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to build this weather application. We'll start from scratch how to fetch data from API. Then we're going to see how to write the code and how to make this kind of UI. First I will show you that how it's work. Okay, I just put the city name and we'll just click the get weather. We'll see the weather of that particular city. First I just put the city name, I just put Kolkata, and if you click get weather, we'll get the weather of the city. Okay, how you can build this weather app we're going to see in this video. First we're going to jump into the VS Code, and this is the VS Code. We'll see over here. I already written the code. I just explain to you how it is and how it's working. Okay, first we need a import request module. Okay, first we need Streamlit for we make this application using Streamlit. So you have to import the Streamlit application, then you have to import request. So what request need for? Because we have to fetch data from server, means where the weather is stored of every city. So you have to fetch data from the server. So for this we have to use API. Okay, with the help of API we'll fetch the data. So we all know guys that when we're going to fetch any data from server, we use request module. Okay, what request module use for? Because it just help you to fetch the data from the server. Okay, through API. It's like if you're going for any restaurant, so it's like like you as a client. Okay, as a customer you go to the restaurant, so the waiter come to you to with menu cards, and it is sent to you to the kitchen, what menu you ask for or you order. The request module is like a waiter. Okay, that's why you use request module. It just help you to bring the data from the server. And for this we just keep the this is htset page config is used for design the page, web page. Okay, this is the web page. We are going to see that this weather app, this is the title, and this is the emoji. We just put it over there. With the help of we can do this set page config. Okay, page title weather app, page icon, this is the emoji, and layout center. Okay, simple, nothing much more than that. Extremely is very easy. We have to just write function. Within function you can get the easily. You don't have to write much code to make the UI using Streamlit. This is very simple. Okay, then we need API key. So for that we use one particular website. The website name is current weather data. Okay, if you just click API, and before that you have to create an account. Let me tell you that this is my account. I created an account using email, so you have to create an account. Then you have to go to the weather API section, click API, then go to the weather API. Okay, just click current weather data, go to the current weather data and just click API docs. We'll see this is the URL we need. Okay, I already pasted it over here. This is the base URL. We need this. Okay, and then you have to create a API for you. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to create a API. So this is the, you have to get to my API key. Then you can see this. I already created two API. You can just give your API key name and just click generate. You can generate API key. Okay, this is my already created API, so I use over here. This API I use 09b 09b. This is the same API I use over here. Okay, then you have to I give it extra title, means a title name of the website. This real time weather app. This is, then I put a name that if you write this extra write enter a city name to check current weather condition in real time. You have to just write extra write, then the this is the syntax, this is the text you will get in the website. Okay, you have to just write the function. Okay, nothing much. Then you have to HTML markdown. Just put the markdown over here, little line. For that you have to use xt.markdown. Then we have to ask the city from the user. So you have to city is equal to ht.text underscore input. Enter the city name. That is how you can get the information from the user. You have to just ht.text underscore input. We'll see. This is the city name. Okay, you will give the city name over here. Then move to the I create a button. If ht button get weather, if you click get weather, then the rest of the information will proceed. Otherwise, it will not proceed. Okay. Then move to the one if city is equal to empty. If like someone doesn't give any city name and just click get button get weather, then this information occur. Please enter a valid city name. I'll show you over here. If you just nothing put over here and just click get weather, please enter a valid city name. Okay, this information appear. Okay, else if it is not, then else what code execute request underscore URL. We create a variable name is request underscore URL. I use AP string, so base URL, city name, API key. Okay, you have to base URL means this is the base URL. Then city name, you have to put the city name, and API key you have to put over here, and then matrix. Matrix means measure Celsius and Fahrenheit. I need over here Celsius. Okay, so base URL you have to pass the base URL. This is the query parameter. This is called query parameter. Okay, if you haven't know about how to fetch data from API, I already created 3 or 4 videos about API. Please watch the video. Okay, then you will have a more better understanding. This is the query parameter. We just pass the city name, we will get the information. Okay, just let me show you one thing. I just copy total path. Okay, and I just go to the okay. And I replace the whole thing about my this URL base URL. Yes, I show you one interesting thing. Yes, let me do this. Yeah, I just put a city name over here. It was Kolkata. And API key, I have to put my API key. Okay, and I click enter. Something wrong happened. Let me check. I just copy the API key. Okay, I think API key is wrong, that's why I'm getting the error. And just paste over there. This is the information. Okay, if you click over here, that I just put the base URL and give the city name and give the API key, so you will get the information directly in my website, like the temperature 22 degree 9.7, anything same information I also get the using API key. Okay, it's the same thing I do over here. I just keep all the information in the request underscore URL variable, this information, total information, and we just response is equal to request.get. We just fetch the information from the server, this server, and then we what you do is that if response dot status code 200, If data scores 200, 200 means success. If it is success, means you successfully fetch the data from server. Then we'll convert it into JSON format. JSON format means this format, this kind of format we call JSON format, is like a Python dictionary, and we store all the information in the data variable. Okay, and then we'll scratch the information from the data variable one by one. Data, weather, description. Okay, this is how we do. I'll show you one thing, that if you print only data, okay, I just print data, not print, I just print xt.write, xt.write, and I pass the data. Let me show you. I just run the program. Run the program again. So save it. Run this. Okay. If I put city name, okay, same information, all the information I told you, that the same information I store in the data variable. Okay, this is the information. I just extract one by one the main information that I need. I don't need longitude, latitude. I need only temperature, the same temperature I show there. How you fetch this? Just go to the main key base and then go to temperature. Okay, like this. Main temperature, main field likes, main humidity, wind speed, wind speed. Okay, this is how we fetch the data from this total big dictionary. This is called JSON format. Okay, it's same like nested dictionary. Okay, nothing but. And we show this, and we store weather, temperature, fields, humidity, wind, and I just print the and show the all the information is nice way. That's why I use html markdown, and I use the HTML tag, div tag, paragraph tag. I'll use some style, background, padding. That's how it is showing. It is looking little beautiful like this. Okay, this is the information I use. This simple HTML, nothing much. And if you get any error, then you send me error message, unable to fetch weather data. Please check city name. If someone give incorrect city name, then will appear this information. Okay. This is the code, guys, and we use get for get the fetch data from particular server. That is why use get. This is the code we are using. Okay, we'll see what here. The same. If I put any city name, I put Mumbai, click get weather. Same. Smoke, 30-degree temperature. Okay, we'll get same temperature 30-degree. We just go to the main and fetch the temperature. Means there is lots of information here, but we need only main information. I don't need grnd level, dig level, all, type, id. We don't need all information. We need some of the information. That's why we fetch some of the information that I need. Okay, this is the video. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment. In the next video, we'll deploy this in the server. Please watch the next video also, because if you put this in the server, so anyone can use this. You can share with anyone. You can also add your in your portfolio. Okay, thank you, guys.